Hi guys, this is Dee. Welcome back to my channel. I have a short video for you today, and I'm going to be passing along a little bit of news. I have decided, after thinking about it and praying about it, that I will change the name of my YouTube channel from Dee Johnson, which it's been ever since I joined YouTube, but just as a casual observer and watcher and consumer. But now that I have my card making channel, I just think it would be better to have something that reflects more of what I do here, which is making cards. And so I've decided to change it to Peaceful Heart Cards by Dee. And several years ago, I decided I would try to sell some of my cards or sell some of my jewelry that I make. And so I came up with the name Peaceful Heart Boutique. And that's what I have on one of my Facebook pages, or accounts, I should say, is Peaceful Heart Boutique. And so I thought, well, that's really encompassing everything that I do, not cards. So I thought it'd be best if I just came up with something for card making. So that's how I came up with Peaceful Heart Cards. Anyway, I'm going to be changing it soon, and I just want to give you a heads up because if you're signed up for notifications, once you get the notification, I'd like you to know who it is. That is me. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a great day and a good week, and staying out of the heat if at all possible. So yesterday here in Iowa was actually pretty decent. I'm not sure it even hit 80 here in Southwest Iowa anyway. And so anyway, it's going to change in the next week. It's going to go back to typical July weather. But anyway, I hope you have a great day. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. It's totally free. Take care, guys. Bye.